Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the master lock 1534D, which is a combination lock, as you can see here, and it has 5 dials with numbers and letters. And this is how you operate it. You dial in your number, then you pull the shackle and it comes open. And well, I'm going to quickly disassemble it so my wife can dial in a new combination and then we can maybe decode it. So this is how you do it. Honey, could you please put the lock together for me? Okay, thank you. Okay, and we got some spare parts left. Gonna put that over. And while she's doing that, I'm going to give you some additional informations. So they give you the information that over 25 million possible combinations can be dialed in, and it has a security rating 4 out of 10, which, well, in master lock language means you can get in as easy as, I don't know, very, very easy. Okay, and it has an anti-shim feature, which is true. It has a locking mechanism that features a ball bearing. And it also says tough under fire, which I would like to see. And you have the 5 stock discs, and they give you 3 additional discs. We can get some focus. Yes, thank you. So you can make a combination up to 4 dialed with only numbers or only letters, and 1 number or 1 letter. Okay, and now we hang on for a second. Okay, let's continue. I'm sorry I had to pause the video because the reprogramming of the lock took some time. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to apply a lot of tension. And this lock also has like an old pin tumbler binding order. So first we're gonna decode the first disc, then the third, then the fifth, then the second, and finally the fourth. That's at least our plan. So we're going to apply tension and simply moving through. Okay, nothing. Okay. We go for a second round. Okay. Let's move on to the third dial. Okay, sorry about that. It's difficult to keep that in frame while applying tension. Okay, something about the K here, I think. Okay, we're going to leave that as a K. The hardest part here is really to apply enough tension to get these discs to bind. Okay, just shaking out my hand. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is like hitting a roadblock, so this is probably a K. This is really hard to turn clockwise. Okay, let's continue. Applying tension and tension, tension, and rotating the wrong dial. Okay, we're going to leave this at an E. Okay, let's go over this again. Maybe 6. I'm not sure. Okay, second dial. Okay, so clockwise is the way to go on this lock. Come on, give me something to work with. Shaking over my hand again. Okay, I heard some click at 9. Okay, now on to the 4th. Yes, there we go. So it is K9 EU6. This is the combination for this lock. Okay. Whew, tougher than I thought. So now I'm going to show you how the mechanism works. Okay, so we can take off this end cap. Easier said than done. Come on, just jiggling around a little bit. Okay, got some wet hands here from turning the wheels. Okay, here we go. So this is the end cap, and this is held by this little spring-loaded detent. And now we can easily remove the combination dials. Okay, sorry. This has to go here. Okay, come on. Get the hell, okay. Back there. And off. Okay. So, if you want to set your combination, you have to line up the red gates with the master logo on the left side here. You can get some focus. Okay. Has to look like this, and if we take a look from the side, you have some more gates here and there, which are just for holding in these plates, which looks like so. and you've got always 2 of these sticking up, so it's easier to grip on and to dial in these numbers. And now we're going to set a new combination for this. So let's search for a W. Here it goes, W, and an O. Okay. What else do we have? We have an R. We can get this to work. Okay, and eventually with D, word, and now a number, and it's a 3, which is the, come on, thank you, which is the standard combination for this lock that master has on all of these, like we can see here, maybe. Yes, word 3. Okay, so now put on the end cap and relock it, scramble, it's locked. Okay, and we are going to dial in, come on, our word 3, align it. Oh, okay. Well, easier said than done. Now word 3 unlocks it, and as I told, ball bearing locking mechanism, so you cannot shim it. And yes, 25 million possible combinations. But okay, as you can see here, the video is getting quite long. Decoding itself in front of the camera, 8 minutes I think, and I did it twice off camera, and it has been always between 3 to 5 minutes. So it is really easy if you can get a feel for this lock, and for the binding order especially. It took me a few minutes to figure that out, to do this in proper proper order. And yeah, I think there are some easier and some stronger combinations which take some more time, like this one probably did. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.